Okay, hello students. Today we'll start chapter 8, unitary method. Okay, so unitary method, what is this? Unitary method is a method in which the value of unit means the values of 1. Values of 1 is help to find the values of other. Okay, so values of 1 will help to find the values of other. It may be more than 1 or it may be less than 1. Okay, that is called the unitary method. Okay, so first whatever the question will be given, in that question will solve the question for unit. Okay, after that solving unit, what we'll do, we'll find the value whatever is given the question. It is given for more or less, it depends on the question. Okay, so one thing you remember, if suppose many values of many article or things is given and we want to find out the values of 1. Okay, right? So if many values is given, we want to find out the values of 1, so what we'll do, we'll divide it. Okay, right? Clear? Or if the values of 1 is given, we want to find out the values of many. If values of 1 is given, we want to find out the values of many, so we'll multiply. Understood? No? If the values of more than 1 is given, we want to find out the values of 1, so we have to divide. And if values of 1 is given, we want to find out the values of more than 1, so we have to multiply it. Okay, this is the main formula. Okay, we are taking the question from exercise, right? So the first question is, if the 39 bat, okay, if the values of 39 bats is given, the question is, if 39 bat cost rupees 390, find the values of 1 bat. So cost of 39 bat, how much it is given? It is given rupees 390. Okay, so definitely it is more than 1. 39 bats, values of 39 bats is given, that is rupees 390, and we have to find out the values of 1 bat. So value of or cost of 1 bat. So what will be the cost of 1 bat? As I told you, here the values of more than 1 is given, 39 bats is given, that is rupees 390, and we want to find out the values of 1 bat. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll divide. What will divide? 390 will be divided by 39, because we want to find out the values of 1. Okay, so the value cost of 1 value, that is rupees 390 will be divided by 39. And this 390 when we divided by 39, you know it, how many times it will deliver? Yes, definitely 10 times. 39 into 10 is equal to 390. So we'll divide it 1 and this is 10. So what we are getting? We are getting rupees 10. So cost of 1 bat is equal to rupees 10, and this is the our answer. Okay, so this type of question we'll do in a unitary method. It was very simple. Okay, now I'm taking the another question. Listen the question. You understand this one, right? Better? Okay. Now the next question, I'm reading the question. There are 1500 balls in 30 bags. 1500 balls in 30 bags. Then how many balls are there in 1 bag? Okay, so 1500 balls in 30 bags. So number of balls in 30 bags. Numbers of balls in number of balls in 30 bags. How many? That is 1500. 1500 balls are there in 30 packs, and we have to find out how many balls are there in one bag. So how many balls will be there? So number of balls in one bag, that is, what will do? 1500 will be divided by 30 bags, because in 30 bags there were 1500 balls, and we are finding number of balls in one bag, so this value will be divided by 30. So this 0 will be cancelled by this 0. Okay, 350 divided by 3, 150 divided by 3, what it will come? 3 5 0, that is 50 balls. How many balls? 50 balls. So there will be 50 balls in one pack. Got it? Any problem? Right? Next question. The next question is, the weight of one bag is 551 kg. Find the weight of 26 such bags. Okay. Third question I am telling you. The weight of one bag, that is 451 kilogram. Okay, find the weight of 26 such bags. Okay, so weight of what will do? Weight of one bag is given. How much it is given? 451 kg. And what we want to find out? We want to find out the weight of 26 such bags. So what will be? This value will multiply by this one. Okay. So multiply it. What will come? 451 multiply by 26. Okay, so first you can multiply by 6, as you know. So 6 1 ja, 6 5 ja, right, 30. 3 will carry. 6 4 ja 24. 24 plus 3, that is 27. Now multiply by 2, so it will come 2 here. 2 5 ja 10 will come here. 1 8 plus 1 9. Okay, so what it will come? 6 2 7 11, that is 11,726. That will be the weight of 26 bags. Okay, so you will write answer, that is weight of 26 bags equal to 11,726 kg. Got it? Clear? Any doubt, confusion right now? So what we are doing, if values of 1 is given and we want to find the values of more than 1, we are multiplying, and if value of more than 1 is given, we are finding the values of 1, so we are dividing. More question I am taking. Okay, I am reading the question. The question is, if the cost of 24 meters of cloth is rupees 1116, find the cost of 72 meter of cloth. So cost of 24 meter, okay, cost of 1116. This is the cost of 24 meter of cloth is equal to rupees 1116. We have to find out the cost of 72 meter cloth. Okay, 24 meter cloth cost is given. We want to find out the cost of 72. So what we'll do? Very first we have to find out the cost of 1 meter. Okay, what? 1 meter, right? So since 24 meter cloth cost 1116, cost of 1 meter of cloth, what it will come? Rupees 1116 divided by 24. Got it? Because we are finding the cost for 1. It was given more. 24 meter was given cost of 24 meter and we are solving for 1. So we'll divide it. Okay. As I told, if values of many is given and we are finding for less of a 1, we'll divide. And if values of 1 is given, we are finding for more than 1, we'll multiply it. Okay. So here it will divide. So we can cancel it, right? By which number? By 4. 4 6 ja, right? 24. Here 4 2 ja 8. 11 minus 8, it will be how much? 3, right? So it will be 31, right? So 11 4 7 ja 28, 3 9 ja 36. Got it? So when it will divisible, it will come 279. Okay, now it will divisible 279. 279, it is divisible by 3, right? Because 7 plus 9, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 9 18. So means it is divisible by 3, and 6 is also divisible by 3. So these both number divisible by 3. So we'll divide 3 2 ja, and here 3 9 ja, then 3 3 ja. So what is coming? 93 upon 2, that is the cost of 1 meter cloth. It is coming rupees 93 upon 2, and we have to find out the cost of 72 meter of cloth. So cost of what it will come? Now tell me. This is the cost of what? 1 meter cloth. Now we are finding what? 72 meter cloth. Okay, so 1 meter given, 72 we are finding, so it will be multiplied, because now we are finding for the move. Okay, so this will be multiplied 72, right? Then 72 will be cancelled by 2, right? Now how many times? 1, and here 7, that is 3 times. 2 3 is 6, 1 will left, so it becomes 12, then 16. So what is coming? Rupees 93 into 36. We'll multiply. So multiply what is coming? Let's see. 93 multiply 36. So what it will come? 6 3 is 18, 1 55, 9, this is 27. So 8, this is 14, and this is 6 and 13, 3,348. That is cost of 72 meter cloth. So the answer will be cost of 72 meter of cloth, that is rupees 3,308 rupees. Okay, so again see what it is given. Cost of, first it was given the question, right? It was given the question that cost of 24 meter of cloth is 1160. and we have to find out the cost of 72 meter of cloth. So very first what we have done, we have find out the cost of 1 meter of cloth. So 24 meter was given, we are finding for 1 meter, so we'll divide. So this value is divided by 24, right? So when we have divided, it was cancelled first by 4. So 24 divided 4, 16, and this value divided 279 times. Then this 6 is divisible by 3, 3 2 ja, and this also 3, so we are getting 93, and this we are getting 2. So 93 upon 2, this is coming the cost of 1 meter of cloth. Okay. So after the cost of 1 meter of cloth, 93 upon 2, we have to find the cost of 72 meter of cloth. So we are finding cost of 72 meter of cloth, that's 93 by 2 multiplied by which value? 72. Understood? So we have calculated, we are getting 3,348, that is the cost of 72 meter of cloth. Understood? So this type of question will be in a unitary method, in which sometime the values of mode is given and we are finding first for unit, then again we are finding for the other. One more question I am taking, right? You will better understand. So one more question, and the question is the cost of 10 kgs rice is given. The cost of, this is the question number 10. Okay, the cost of 10 kgs of rice, that is how much it is given? It is given rupees 367.20. Okay, so the cost of 10 kgs of rice is given 367.20. We have to find out what will be the cost of 75 kgs of rice. What will be the cost of 75 kgs of rice? So what we'll do? Very first we have to find out the cost of 1 kg of rice first. Okay, what we'll do? We'll find out the cost of 1 kg of rice first. Okay, so cost of 1 kg of rice, that is rupees 3. Now you tell me what will do. 10 kg rice cost is given and we are finding 1 kg of rice, so what it will be? This value will be divided by 10. Okay, so divide by 10. Then what we have to find out? We have to find out the cost of 75 kg of rice. So this is the cost of 1 kg of rice, right? We are finding the cost of 75 kgs of rice. What it will come? Is 367.20 divided by 10 multiplied by 75. This was the cost of 1 kg of rice. We are finding for the 75. So this value will multiplied by 75. Clear now? Right? 10 kg cost given. So first we are finding for 1 kg. After finding the value of 1 kg, we are finding for the 75 kg. Right? So here we are finding for less value. That's why it was divided, and then less value values of less value is given, and we are finding here for the more. So here it is multiplied. Right now? Okay. 75 or 10 will be cancelled by 5. You know that. Okay. So 15. 5 1 ja, 2 will come, 5 5 ja, then 5 2 ja. Okay. Now by 2 will cancel this value. So 2 1 ja, how many times it will divisible? 3 is that, it will divisible 1 time, right? Then it becomes 16, so 8 times, right? Then it is 7, so 3 times. Then it becomes 12, and decimal is here, so 6 times. So it is coming rupees 183.6 multiplied by 15. So you multiply by 15, you know the table of 15. 15 6 here. Yes, 90. 15 6 ja 90, so it will come 0, 9 will be here. Then 15 3 ja 45, 45 plus 9 54, 54, it will be 5 here. Then 15 8 ja, that is 120. Okay, yes, plus 5 is there, so what it will come? 25, 125. Okay, then it will be 12. Then 15 plus 12, that is 27. So what is the cost is coming? Cost is coming, decimal will come here because after decimal 1 digit, so here also. So 2754. This is the cost of 75 kg of rice is coming. 2754. 2754. Got it now? Any problem? Any doubt? No? Right now? What we have done? Cost of 10 kg rice was given, that is 367.20, and we have to find out the cost of 75 kg of rice. So first we have solved for the unit, means for the 1 kg of rice. So since we are finding for the less for 1, so by 10 we'll divide this value, right? Then this is the cost of, this full is the cost of the 1 kg of rice. Then this is the cost of 1 kg of rice, and we are finding for the 75. So this value multiplied by 75. Then we are calculating. So this is numerator, this is denominator, both are cancelled by 5. So we are getting 15 here because 15 5 is 75, 50, and 5 2 is 10. Then by 2 we are dividing it, so we are getting 183.6. 183.6 is multiplied by 15, so we are getting 2754 rupees, and this is the cost of 75 kg rice. Clear? So these questions was related to the unitary method. Okay, almost maximum question we have covered, right? Any doubt, confusion, you can consult me. We are starting the next chapter, that is decimal.